back. So this is a package I got. It's supposed to have Lego Mindstorms NXT in it. I got it from the online Goodwill store. So I got it with like bids and stuff. I was the highest bidder. So I got it. This is the package right here. But I wanted to show you guys, just listen to this noise. You probably heard that, but it's just like a ton of, they put all the pieces in there loosely, which I kind of expected. So it's just like, all being getting all hitting against each other and stuff in there. So during shipping and stuff, that probably happened. But yeah, so let me show you the Goodwill like listing that I won, and then I'll show you what's inside the box. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. This is the Mindstorms NXT that I got. I haven't opened the box yet, but this is what I saw when I bid on it and got it. So right here you can kind of see the pile of stuff, the box, and instruction manual. Other pictures, you can see like all the cables that come with it. The cable plugs into it. It comes with one of these big gears right over here, which is kind of nice. It's got the 3 motors and stuff. It's missing the ultrasonic sensor, I'm pretty sure, which I'll show you here in a second, one of these pictures. Then you can see other stuff, the brain and stuff. And if we go to this picture right here, this sensor I think is missing. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm pretty sure it's missing. I couldn't find it in any of the pictures when looking through them. So we'll see if that's there here when I open the box up. But yeah, that's right there. And just the other pictures, so that's that. And then if we go down here, right here, I got it for $31. And then handling price was $3. So with the handling plus shipping was $16.07. So I got this for about $50. So yeah, let's open the box up and see what's inside. Okay, so I'm hoping that all pieces that come out of this, like none of them will roll off, but this thing's like right next to the edge down here. You probably can't see it. It's like that far away from like the edge. So some Technic pins and stuff will probably roll off. It's got a lot of Bionicle pieces in it too. It just came with those, but it's got most of the NXT set in here. So yeah, let me open this thing up. So start from this side. Whoa. Yeah, start from the side. Like this. Okay. Like that. And then this side, okay, like that, and then through the middle, hopefully. Okay, doesn't really say if I can whip. Okay, so now you guys don't see anything, and I get to experience. Oh, okay, so right now the box is just on top, so you can't see it. Let me this down. The NXT box is right on top there, so let me lift that up real quick if I can. This NXT box like barely fits in here. I think they put all the pieces inside its NXT box. So I'm gonna try to tip the box upside down maybe to get it out. Hopefully this works. Wow. Okay. That's very tight in there, so let me try to like pull it out. Got it pulled out. It was really tight in that box. It was like a perfect fit. So I finally got it out. I haven't opened it yet though, so if I lift right here, should it reveal everything? Oh, nope. I think I have to lift up maybe. Yeah, I think I have to pull these apart. Oh, it's taped. This top box is taped to the bottom box, so I guess I need my knife again. Let me undo the tape on the sides. So there's some tape right there, and then some tape on this side, yeah, like that, and then down here on this side. Okay, I think that's all the tape. Yes, did I? Oh yeah, right, okay. So now, if I come down here, it should open up to reveal all the pieces. Yep. Just a second. Back is not wanting to open up, but you can see the pieces right there. So let me try to get this open. Also, one minifigure in here. This is what he looks like. He's got a Air Pirates on the back of him. It's just this random minifigure. But inside of this box, there is some corrosion on this one right here, this one, and then there is a little on that one, which I was kind of expecting. It should still work with that corrosion there. I can scrape it off, but yeah, so let's put some batteries in it. So let's put this one in, this one, that one, right there. And then one more right there, and then how do we power this on? Okay, so I just had to push the batteries in a little farther, and it works now, but there's no display up here on the screen, so I think the screen might not work or something, which I could open it up and fix that if I wanted. So, but it powers up and everything if I turn it off. Well, you can hear the noise. It makes the noises and stuff, but there's no display up here. So yeah, that's kind of weird. But yeah, that's what's with the brick. So like you already saw, that's this stuff right here. I can't really test these right now. I'm gonna figure out how to, just because that screen doesn't work. But over here, there's all this stuff right here, and I'll just give you a quick look at all these, just so you can know what they look like and stuff. We'll know what's in here. So you can see like there's a lot of Bionicle and stuff, cables. But yeah, this is like all that's extra in the box. Okay guys, so it's it for the video. I'm gonna see if I can like code some stuff into this. It should still work without the screen. Everything should still work. I just won't be able to see anything on the screen. But the screen's not like a necessity. The screen also flickers every once in a while. You can't see right now, so I don't know what that means. I might open it up and see if the screen's just unplugged or something. I might do that later, and if I get it working, I can probably make an update video if you guys want. But yeah, so as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.